In this video, we will walk you through the most common causes and show you how to fix iPhone slide to answer not working step by step, helping you restore normal answering functionality. Part 1. Why is my iPhone slide to answer not working? If your iPhone slide to answer isn't working, it could be due to a dirty touchscreen, interference from third-party apps, or system glitches affecting touch responsiveness. Part 2. How to fix iPhone slide to answer not working. If your iPhone slide to answer isn't working, follow these step-by-step troubleshooting methods until the issue is resolved. Solution 1. Clean your iPhone screen and fingers. Dirt or dust on your iPhone screen can affect touch functions. Wipe the screen with a clean cloth and ensure your fingers are clean to maintain proper responsiveness. Solution 2. Remove the screen protector. If your iPhone's slide to answer isn't working, a screen protector might be reducing touchscreen sensitivity. Try removing it, clean the screen, and use the slider again. Solution 3. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8 and later, quickly press volume up, then volume down, then hold side button until Apple logo. iPhone 7 Plus, hold volume down plus side button until Apple logo. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, hold home plus side button until Apple logo. Solution 4. Update your iPhone to the latest version. Step 1. Open the Settings app and go to General Software Update. Step 2. Check for updates, then tap Download and install. Wait for the update to finish. Solution 5. Restore iPhone via iTunes. If other methods fail, you can use iTunes to restore your iPhone, which reinstalls iOS and fixes system issues. Note that this will usually erase all data, so backing up beforehand is recommended. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable and open iTunes. Step 2. Your iPhone should appear in iTunes. If it doesn't, you may need to put the device into recovery mode. Step 3. Click on the iPhone icon, then under Summary, select Restore iPhone. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm and complete the process. Solution 6. Use iOS System Recovery. To fix the iPhone slide to answer issue without losing data, using a professional tool like iOS System Recovery is recommended, as it repairs system problems while keeping your files safe. Step 1. Download and install the software on your computer. It will automatically launch after installation. Step 2. Connect your iOS device to the computer using a working USB cable. Select iOS System Recovery and click Start on the next screen. Step 3. Choose either Standard Mode or Advanced Mode, then click Confirm to proceed. Step 4. Verify your device information and click Repair to start the process. Wait for it to complete, and your device will be restored to normal. Solution 7. Restore iPhone to factory settings. If other fixes fail, resetting your iPhone to its original state can resolve persistent system issues and is a last resort solution for slide to answer call problems. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to General Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 3. Tap Erase all content and settings, then enter your passcode to confirm. Solution 8. Contact Apple support. If you've tried everything and your iPhone's slide to answer not working issue still exists, it may be a hardware problem, such as a faulty touchscreen. In that case, it's best to contact Apple support for professional diagnosis and repair. If your iPhone is still under warranty, it won't cost much.